Look, we gotta get out of here. There's dinosaurs in Uranus. Hi, we are coming at you from Uranus, Missouri. And technically Uranus is not a city or a town. It is a clever marketing gimmick by the folks who own this complex here. So all sorts of fun things to do here. We have a fun park or a little kid play area. We've got tattoos, escape rooms.
Are you gonna get a tattoo?
No, I'm
yes.
not. There's escape rooms. There is axe throwing. There's a Fudge Factory, a general store, a restaurant. So all sorts of fun things to see and do. We're gonna check it out today. All right, so we're about to try an escape room here. Escape Uranus, and so we'll see how we do. I don't know, it's kind of early in the morning, so we might be too tired to win this game. We're playing Vincis Office, it's called, and it's just the two of us, I think. So we'll see if we are successful or not.
Let's go!
All right, so here we are at Escape Uranus. We're gonna be playing 2 rooms. The first game is 60 minutes, and it is Vincis Office, so we're gonna see if we can find the Holy Grail. And the second room is a 30-minute room, and that's a Tesla room. So we're gonna get started and see if we're successful.
All right. I saw a meme that he doesn't get credit for teaching us how to do snow angels.
We won. I lost. So we had a lot of fun. We lost the Da Vinci game, but we won the Tesla game. So we're kind of winners and kind of losers. Kind of feel happy and a little sad, but mostly happy. But it was a lot of fun. Great games, great manager. You guys definitely need to check out these rooms. You will not be disappointed.
So where are we going now?
They have a general store and a fudgery.
A fudgery!
So we're going to go check those out. Get the fudge for later because I'm going to eat lunch first, but we'll have to video ourselves trying the fudge.
Okay, I'll follow you. Let's go to the fudgery. Hey, and that rocket over there, they're turning that into an escape room.
Yeah, how cool will that be? What's that?
Oh, we got to come up with a team name.
Okay, team name.
Team name.
TPF?
TPF.
That's our travel vlog.
Yeah, TPF.
Thank you.
Hey, look, there's an elephant.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Old circus car. That's pretty cool.
We don't have one of those at Escape Code.
But anyway, how cool will it be to have an escape game inside the rocket?
Yeah, there's a rocket over there. Ooh, circus music. That lady was the sword swallower.
Yes. That sounds dangerous.
All right. It's really cold.
So here is the Sideshow Museum with all sorts of oddities, all sorts of just unique things. I think they have performers in here.
Yeah, this place is crazy. Okay. Oh, here's the general store.
Oh, my hands are frozen. I thought it was supposed to be in the 40s today. It does not feel like it's in the 40s.
Here we go. We got the general store and the Fudge Factory. Let's go this way. Hello.
Is it sanitary?
Hey, Uranus, it's Uranus.
Hey, safety first.
They have reduced sugar.
Yeah.
I don't know. Somehow I feel like it won't be as good. I think I should go. I think I should go with the sugared version. Okay.
Should we get this calendar, Amy?
Bye, guys. Thanks for picking Uranus. Hey, you want to say it? I'll let you.
Do you like your job?
I love it. Did you want your photo in the back?
Oh, look at that taffy. Good. How you doing? Weapons in Uranus, huh?
Oh yeah, got plenty of them.
Wow. Cool. What do you guys do back there?
Our indoor shooting range is right back here.
Oh, really?
And then we're actually remodeling this back here to move our shop back here.
Okay.
Give us a little more room.
Oh, that's cool. I had no idea you had all that.
Yes, sir.
What are you getting?
I got the peanut butter chocolate and the vanilla raspberry.
Did they have any sugar free or?
They have reduced sugar.
Oh, all of this is reduced?
Chocolate, peanut
How about
butter,
this one right here?
peanut butter chocolate. It's actually my favorite.
Thank you.
And then where do I pay for it? Up
Good job. That was a stereo.
there. You want some of that? Is the smallest amount we can get the half a pound?
It's a quarter pound.
Okay.
So it's one square.
Okay, we'll get
Yeah.
one square of that.
Okay, do you want like one of the ones on top that's little, or do you want one of these? Does it matter?
Yeah, just give me one of those down there. Yeah, that's fine.
You want me to add these in the bag?
Oh yeah. How are you?
Good. Are you guys enjoying Uranus so far?
Yes, thank you.
That's good. Anything else for you today?
Nope.
Give you $11.50. Okie dokie. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you.
And thank you for picking Uranus.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for picking Uranus.
They have all sorts of interesting expressions here. Cannot really repeat them, but they are sort of funny. They have, it looks like a restaurant here, and they said behind the restaurant they have their axe throwing, but it's closed for the season because it is freezing here and it's outside.
And we need to get to the car.
Yeah.
Let's take this. We got to look at the rocket.
Okay.
So this is going to actually be an escape room in the rocket.
They said it's gonna move and like I think have hydraulics and stuff.
Oh yeah, there's going to be like vibration for takeoff kind of a thing.
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, our escape room, we don't have a rocket. We don't.
No, we don't.
But who does really?
It says Missouri Archery Headquarters and Outdoor Survival Store, which they have too.
Oh yeah, they had a gun range in there.
Oh, did they?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And they had tattoos. Do you want to get a tattoo?
No,
Why?
I just don't.
All right.
Boy, it's cold.
Well,
They said they they have the funk yard. This playground is called the funk yard. And they just had to keep this like 2-story bus, so you can have like parties on that bus.
sweet.
That'd be cool.
We got to do that. Oh, Amy, I know it's cold, but we have to get a picture over here of their anus. We got to do it. Run.
What? Oh.
You got to do it.
It's the animal. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. So as you can see,
This isn't so much about the planet.
yeah, Uranus itself like the planet. But
Which one are you going to choose?
there might be some connotations otherwise.
You are a zebra's butt. Get me, I want to do one.
Ooh, it's cold.
A little screen there.
What is that? A yak?
know, scoot up, maybe. Scoot up.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, you didn't know what it is?
No. I always thought you were an elephant's butt.
And I am. So while we're here, so here's the Funk Yard bus. Let's see if we can see inside of it. Oh, it says under construction. So they're building it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Yep. Food truck. There's the Uranus Police Department. Oh, we gotta get in the car. We're running. It's freezing. Oh, it's cold. All right, Amy, give a final Uranus goodbye. And then what are we doing now after this?
Well, we're gonna go eat, and we're playing another escape room here. Is this St. Robert? Is that the name of this?
I'm not sure, actually. It's like by Fort Leonard Wood in Missouri.
Okay, so anyway, we are going to eat, and then we're gonna play an escape game someplace else. But this is a really fun place. I think there's more to do when it is warmer out, because then the kids could play on the playground, and you could do axe throwing, which is outside, or things like that. But it was also, these escape rooms are awesome, so I'd highly recommend them. And then the fudge is really, really good. I did have a sample, although I'm not gonna eat all of it till after lunch. So anyway, it's cool to stop. It's on the way between Branson and St. Louis. So if you're headed, that way. It's also on Route 66. So they were saying how it's one of the must-do stops for people like touring Route 66. So yeah.
Cool. At this point, what should we have the people do?
Oh yeah, why don't y'all give us a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos.
All right, so we're gonna shoot out of Uranus, and
okay, John,
and go our way.
You gotta edit that out. That's not very family friendly. You gotta edit that out. Okay, so we are on our way
out of Uranus.
Stop.
Heading out.
Stop. You gotta edit that out.
Can't.
You can't do those.
I can't
Okay,
edit.
so we are leaving this place right now to head out to our next destination.
All right.